Hey, what is going on? Gene from WeCanJunkIt. My name is John Nicholas and I'm with NJSEO Marketing. Today I'm shooting this video to show you 3 tips that you could use to help your online presence. If by the end of the video you like what you hear, please feel free to reach out to me. If you have any questions, you have my email. Just send me a quick message. But let me get started. The first thing I want to talk to you about is content. What content has to do is basically how many words, how many keywords, and how your pictures are saved on your web page. When it comes to words, you want to have anywhere from 1,500 to 2,500 words on your main page, and then anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words on your sub pages. And what this affects is the more words you have, the more keywords you'll be able to use on your content as well. And what a keyword is basically a search term that's being searched by customers who are looking for your services. So the more keywords you have, though, the more search volume your website will get each month as well. And when it comes to pictures, this picture right here, for example, if this picture is saved under a keyword, it will actually help you get ranked and found for that keyword. This picture right here, for example, is saved as WeCanJunkIt, so that's your company name. That's good. That's helping your company name get ranked. But if it was saved under a keyword, it will be helping you get found and ranked for that keyword as well. And the second thing I want to talk to you about is citations. What a citation is basically the name of your company as it appears on Google, its phone number and address listed in directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Facebook. Just basically anywhere a website can go and implement the information so that they could be found. What this in turn affects is this G&B section of Google right down here. This is the Google My Business Map Pack, and the way you will get ranked here is by actually getting those citations. The more citations you get, the higher you'll be ranked in this Google My Business Map Pack. And the way you will beat your competitors right here is by actually duplicating your citations and then implementing more citations so that you don't only outrank them, but you make sure that they don't catch up to you as well. And now, the third thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. What backlinks affect is this organic section of Google right down here. The more backlinks you have, the higher you will be ranked in this section. And when it comes to backlinks, not all links are created equal. Some are more powerful than others depending on how relevant they are to your content. The more relevant they are, the higher they will help you get ranked. And when it comes to your competitors, depending on how powerful your links are, you might not need nearly as much as they have to outrank them. So it just depends on how relevant they are to your content and the more powerful links that you have to outrank your competitors. And those are the 3 tips that I have for you there. I just want to show you one more thing. This is a quick website that I go to called Ahrefs. I implemented your website right here. It's not really showing me any information right here. I'm not sure if your website just went up or if you have any SEO work done on it, or if you did get SEO work done or is not updated yet here. But this in turn will give me a UR. This will show me your UR, which is basically how powerful your link is. Your DR, which is how trusted you are in the eyes of Google. How many referring domains, how many backlinks you have, and how many keywords and how many traffic or how much traffic you're getting each month on your website. This is your top competitor in the area. They have a UR of 15, a DR of 19, basically how much they are trusted in the eyes of Google. They have 904 referring domains, giving them a total of 3,800 backlinks. And what that does for them is it gives them an organic traffic of 2,200 each month. And they also have 4,200 keywords, so that's 4,200 words that they're being found for on Google. So this is what proper SEO work does to a website. It helps them get ranked and helps them get found so that it gives you that traffic that you want each month. So you can have the nicest website in the world, but if you don't have the proper SEO work done on it, then it won't be doing nothing for you. Like I said before, Gene, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Other than that, I hope you have a good day. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video.